1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's that?
So over the weekend, our friends Tiana and Kenny from Atlanta came to visit us. They brought along their 2 sons, Kamar, who's 8 years old, and Trey, who's 5 years old. They wanted to do something fun, adventurous, see nature. So the first thing that we thought of was Puhlapanzak. We're leaving the house on our way to Puhlapanzak, aka pull your pants up. Ready? You?
Gira a la derecha.
Now, one of the biggest questions I get about Honduras or traveling in Honduras is it safe? I can honestly say that we've traveled inside the city, outside the city, day, night. I have never felt unsafe in Honduras. The safety that I feel is the exact same amount of safety that I felt in the States, if not more. Windows roll down, camera out the window. If I believed all the hype of the internet, I would imagine somebody coming to snatch my camera. Because we are in the most dangerous place in the world.
Look out.
World.
The baby. She's going to grab that camera.
Way more dangerous than every place in the world.
One more the baby. Dangerous.
Oh, they're jamming. We can go eat there. Okay, we're jamming. Oh, they're recording something too. That's a plaza I was going to go to later. We've made it to Puhlapanzak. Look at those cows. We're here. Let's get the children out.
Yay!
Woo!
Swim!
Yay! Bug spray! Woo!
Oh, that's
Anti-bug spray.
Everyone hates bug spray here.
It's a necessity.
It's a necessity.
no, thank you.
The mosquitoes are gonna bite you to death.
You can hear.
Turn around. Centro turístico Baleadas, Puhlapanzak.
Termites! Well, we're going to go to the water over there, and we're gonna go see what's over there.
Pula has some really good views. Down the river is going closer toward the waterfall, so they don't recommend swimmers. But up the river, it's a very calm. People swim in it. Usually Ian and I and the adults swim in it, but in December the water was pretty cold. It is 70 degrees out, but when we came back in July, it was probably 90, nearly 100 degrees. So the water is a lot warmer then. So after some much needed chill time watching the kids swim, we decided to head down to the waterfall. I mean, that is the reason why we came to Pula, to see the waterfall. Mark, hold on. Look at these steep stairs. Huh? So the view of Pula is absolutely stunning. There's a path where you can see the entire waterfall up close. And as we continued to walk, the kids became more and more excited because you get to see a bigger view of the waterfall.
There's a waterfall and there's 3, but that one has the most water. That one has
What you can't see in this video is all of the spray. Like the waterfall is just rushing, so it's really cool right here, and there's water spraying on us. It's feeling really good. and the kids were really excited. We were excited. It's one of the most beautiful views.
It's snowing. It looks like it's snowing and it feels like it's raining.
Yeah, it's like a mist.
See, the wind is pushing all the water here and then it just turns into wet.
Y'all okay back there? I'm dying.
I'm so tired.
Pula.
Taking some photos. I'm on top of the world. She's playing. Y'all can go there and play.
Yeah.
So in true Honduran fashion, everything was super kid friendly. There were several playgrounds, so the kids, of course, wanted to play. They were jumping, swinging, climbing things, and of course, the adults got involved because it wasn't just for the kids. We all had a blast.
I want to go fast. It's important. Really tight.
I'm nervous about coming back up the bottom of the waterfall, but I feel great. We're out here with friends and family. Here, oh my goodness, she just hit the tree and just laughing her little butt off. Okay, listen. All right, so we are walking down this course. It's a sight unlike anything we've ever seen. Let's take a walk.
I'm starting to feel those sprinkles. Feeling the sprinkles?
Oh yeah, that mist is beautiful.
Y'all hiding from the water? The camera's getting wet.
Mommy, come on, you sleep so you don't get wet.
I'm previously soaked from just standing by a waterfall. I've never been by one. The bunches of wind and spray. We gotta go back up the stairs. I'm not sweaty, I'm just wet.
There's only a little bit. It's just that I was walking the whole time here and then go up and then walk somewhere else.
You gotta know you're strong.
Walk, and then I get tired.
It's a lot.
Yeah, the girl on the back. At this point, Nellie and I decided to do our own thing. She wanted to go to the playground, and I was super tired, so I opted to eating some French fries and just relaxing. So cute.
¿Cómo te llamo?
Me llamo Alex.
Me llamo Diana.
Diana, mucho gusto. ¿Y tú? Dime. Mucho gusto. Estamos a la orden acá.
¿Los niños también pueden hacer canopy o no?
Sí, claro, sí, sí.
Good tour guide.
Thank you. Okay, hand me here, please. Okay.
All right.
Wait a minute. All right.
Remember.
Okay, ready. Go ahead.
Let's see it.
What'd I do?
Do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Smile. Big smile.
Now, Natalie and I were able to see everyone ziplining above our heads as we cheer them on above. But once I saw this footage and watched this video, I had a lot of envy. These were some beautiful views. I mean, look at that. That's amazing. Ziplining right above a waterfall. Everyone told me that it was absolutely breathtaking, but just by looking at these shots, it was well worth the $20. We paid about $20, 500 lempiras per person, and oh my gosh, I 100% missed out, and Nellie and I can't wait to go back.
What kind you want?
Strawberry and lemonade.
You want strawberry,
Strawberries.
nieves.
Cuatro fresa y una tutti frutti.
Gracias.
Had the ice and then she's gonna put it in there.
What's up, big guy?
No, the ice in Mexico.
But
no.
they have like a whole system here with like filtered water. We're gonna go buy ice.
Welcome there, crema. You have.
Cream is leche.
I wanted some cream.
No.
So when we left, we realized that the snow cones weren't enough for us. So we stopped at a restaurant we saw a lady cooking. She was cooking like tortillas. And there wasn't just tortillas there. There were like tacos, there were baleadas. Nally had like a big baleada, and I ate some tacos. They were good, and everybody had a good time.
Beautiful. I'm really loving the people,
It's for me.
the view. See, the kids just being able to be kids. You have older, you have the elderly, you have the kids, the niños, and then you have people our age. Everyone just coexisting.
I'll tell you, like, when people say that some Honduras is safe, I'm always like, for who? Because not for us. Because, you know, a black man sitting down listening to music. No one cares. Nobody. And we actually are foreigners here. That's the crazy thing.